Hello guys, welcome to Gadget. So in this video we're going to do a review of the SONOS BEAM speaker. The SONOS BEAM is a new soundbar designed to take on not just other TV speakers, but the high end of the smart speakers market. It's priced at $399, which is $300 less than SONOS other TV connected speakers, and it will be available July 17th. Measuring just over 25 inches across, it's much smaller than other soundbars. In black or white, it's also less imposing than other soundbars, with rounded edges, subtle design touches like a seamless fabric grill that runs around the entire device, and an IR receiver that's virtually impossible to see. As this is Sonos' second smart speaker, it has the necessary microphones for Alexa, and perhaps most intriguingly, just a single HDMI input. It is Sonos' most forward-looking and ambitious speaker yet. Sonos wants it to both become the de facto best smart speaker to the living room and also expand Sonos' consumer base by appealing to customers who might not otherwise invest in a soundbar. It takes on other top-end smart speakers like the HomePod and Google Home Max by offering TV features they don't, and a platform-agnostic philosophy that supports Alexa, AirPlay 2, and eventually Google Assistant. With a rumored IPO looming, the SONOS BEAM is the company's best argument yet for why it needs to exist. In a world where every other company is trying to lock consumers into a vertical ecosystem of products, the SONOS approach is to be a neutral translator. It doesn't provide all of the media services you want, but instead makes them talk to each other. Simple enough and slightly ahead of the rest of the market. There aren't many soundbars with integrated smart assistants out there right now, and most soundbars, in general, are ugly and imposing products. The BEAM is much friendlier by comparison. It's meant to be seen. But what do you guys think? Leave us your thought in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and also subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.